all from your living room. Let's do this. Before we jump into the workout, let's warm up those muscles. A good warm-up is like stretching a rubber band before you flick it. It helps prevent injuries and gets your body ready for action. For 5 minutes, do some light cardio. Try these. Jumping jacks. Swing your arms and legs out wide, then back in. High knees. Bring your knees up high as you jog in place. Arm circles. Swing your arms in big circles, forwards and backwards. Now we're warmed up and ready to go. First up, let's get that heart rate up with jumping jacks. This classic exercise is a fantastic way to improve your cardiovascular health and burn calories. How to do it? Stand tall with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs wider than shoulder width apart. As you jump, raise your arms above your head. Jump back to the starting position. Repeat this for 1 minute. Feel that heart pumping. Time to work those arm and chest muscles with push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most effective exercises for building upper body strength. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even engage your core. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, push-ups can be tailored to fit your level. Don't worry if you can't do a full push-up yet. It's completely normal to find them challenging at first. Everyone starts somewhere, and the key is to keep practicing and gradually build up your strength. You can modify it by doing them against a wall or countertop. These variations reduce the amount of body weight you need to lift, making it easier to perform the exercise while still working the same muscle groups. How to do it? Place your hands shoulder width apart on the floor, fingers pointing forward. This hand placement ensures that your shoulders, chest, and triceps are all engaged properly during the movement. Extend your legs back, resting on your toes. Make sure your feet are together or slightly apart for better balance. This position helps to engage your core and maintain stability throughout the exercise. Your body should form a straight line from head to toe. Avoid sagging your hips or arching your back. Keeping a straight line ensures that you are using the correct muscles and preventing any strain on your lower back. Lower your body down by bending your elbows until your chest touches the floor. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body to protect your shoulders and maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Push back up to the starting position. Focus on engaging your chest and triceps as you push up. Exhale as you push up and inhale as you lower down to maintain a steady breathing pattern. Do as many as you can for 30 seconds. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer push-ups with proper form than to do more with poor form. Consistency and proper technique will lead to better results and prevent injuries. Keep challenging yourself and track your progress over time. Strong arms, here we come. Section 5. Exercise 3. Squats, legs like steel. Welcome to the ultimate guide to building powerful legs with squats. Get ready to build those leg muscles with squats. This exercise is a cornerstone of any effective fitness routine, and it's perfect for both beginners and seasoned athletes. This compound exercise works multiple muscle groups at once, making it a great addition to any workout routine. Squats target your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core, providing a comprehensive lower body workout. How to do it? Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. Keep your back straight, and remember to maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement, chest up and core engaged. Engaging your core is crucial as it helps stabilize your body and prevents injury. Lower your hips down as if you're sitting back into a chair. Imagine there's an invisible chair behind you that you're trying to sit on. Keep your knees in line with your toes. This alignment is essential to avoid putting unnecessary strain on your knees, and make sure your back stays straight. A straight back ensures that you're using the correct muscles and not overloading your spine. Lower down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. This depth ensures that you're engaging your muscles fully. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Pushing through your heels activates your glutes and hamstrings more effectively. Repeat this for 1 minute. Consistency is key, so aim to perform squats regularly to see the best results. Feel the burn in your legs. That burn is a sign that your muscles are working hard and getting stronger. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. So keep squatting and build those legs like steel. Section 6. Plank, core of steel. Here we come. Now let's target that core with a plank. This isometric exercise strengthens your abdominal muscles, back and shoulders. improving your posture and stability. How to do it. Start in a push-up position. Lower down onto your forearms, keeping your elbows directly below your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold this position. Hold the plank for 30 seconds. Breathe deeply and feel those core muscles working. Section 7. Exercise 5 lunges. Step up your fitness game. Lunges are a fantastic exercise for strengthening your legs and glutes, while also improving balance and coordination. How to do it? Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Take a big step forward with your right foot. Lower your body down until your right thigh is parallel to the floor and your right knee is directly above your ankle. Push off with your right foot to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Continue alternating legs for a total of 1 minute. Section 8. Exercise 6. Burpees. The ultimate full body blast. Get ready for burpees, the ultimate full body exercise. This explosive movement will challenge your entire body and get your heart rate soaring. How to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Jump your feet back into a push-up position. Do a push-up. Jump your feet back to your hands. Explosively jump up into the air, reaching your arms overhead. Repeat this for 1 minute. Give it your all. Section 9. Cool down, relax, and recharge. This is the time to let your body unwind and recover from the intense workout you just completed. Cooling down is an essential part of any exercise routine, helping your muscles transition from a state of exertion to relaxation. Great work. Now let's cool down with some gentle stretches. These stretches will help your body relax and prepare for the rest of your day or evening. It's important to take this time to focus on your breathing and let go of any tension. Stretching after a workout helps to improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and prevent injuries. By elongating the muscles, you increase blood flow and oxygen to the areas that need it most, aiding in recovery and enhancing your overall performance. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and relaxing into the stretch. This allows your muscles to fully benefit from the stretch, improving your range of motion and helping you feel more limber and relaxed. Try these. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs straight out. This stretch targets the back of your thighs, which can often become tight after a workout. Reach for your toes, keeping your back straight. If you can't reach your toes, that's okay. Just go as far as you can while maintaining a straight back. Over time, your flexibility will improve. Quadriceps stretch. Stand up and grab your right foot with your right hand. This stretch focuses on the front of your thigh, an area that works hard during many exercises. Gently pull your heel towards your glutes. Make sure to keep your knees close together and your back straight. This will help you get the most out of the stretch without straining your muscles. Triceps stretch. Reach your right arm overhead and bend your elbow, letting your hand drop behind your head. This stretch targets the back of your upper arm, which can become tight from activities like lifting weights or even typing on a computer. Use your left hand to gently pull your right elbow further down. This will deepen the stretch and help release any tension in your triceps. Remember to switch sides and repeat the stretch on your left arm. Spinal twist. Lie on your back and bring your knees to your chest. Then let your knees fall to one side while keeping your shoulders flat on the ground. This stretch helps to release tension in your lower back and improve spinal mobility. Child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward on the ground. This pose is excellent for stretching the back and shoulders while promoting relaxation and stress relief. Finally, take a moment to sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple breathing exercise can help calm your mind and body, leaving you feeling refreshed and recharged. Remember, taking time to relax and recharge is just as important as the workout itself. It helps you maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle. So give yourself this moment of peace and enjoy the benefits of a well-rounded fitness routine. Section 10, your 15-minute home workout plan. Here's how to put it all together. Warm up, 5 minutes. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. High knees, 1 minute. Arm circles, 1 minute. Butt kicks, 1 minute. Arm stretches, 1 minute. Workout, 7 minutes. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. Push-ups, 30 seconds. Squats, 1 minute. Plank, 30 seconds. Lunges, 1 minute. Burpees, 1 minute. Rest, 1 minute. Repeat the workout section one more time. Cool down, 3 minutes. Hamstring stretch, 30 seconds per leg. Quadriceps stretch, 30 seconds per leg. Tricep stretch, 30 seconds per arm. Section 11. Conclusion. You've got this. Congratulations on completing your 15-minute full-body home workout. Regular exercise is one of the best things you can do for your physical and mental health. Remember, consistency is key. Try to fit in a workout 3 to 4 times a week. You can adjust the intensity and duration of the exercises as you get stronger. Now go out there and make it happen.